Hello student, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of Geography of class 9. The topic is India size and location. India is an ancient civilization, but now it is a developing nation. It has shown remarkable progress in various fields. Now we have to discuss about the location of India. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. India's mainland extends between 8° 4' north and 37° 8' north latitudes and 68° 7' east and 97° 25' east longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5° north latitudes, divides India into two almost equal parts. The island groups of Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar are also parts of India. Now we have to discuss about the size of India. Covering an area of 3.28 million km, India's total area is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the world's seventh largest country with a land boundary of about 15,200 km, with total length of the coastline being 7,516.6 km. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. India's latitudinal and longitudinal extent is about 30 degrees. India's standard time is based on 82° 30' east meridian, which passes near Mirzapur in UP. Latitudinal extent influences duration of the day and night. India and the world. The Indian landmass is centrally located between West and East Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes connect countries in the west and countries in the east. India's protruding Deccan Peninsula helped India to establish close contacts with West Asia, Africa and Europe, Southeast and East Asia. India's contacts with the world via land routes are much more than her maritime contacts. India is the only nation which has an ocean named after it. India has contributed a lot to the world in forms of ideas, philosophies, and mathematics. Mathematics, that is Indian numerals and decimal system. In exchange, India's architecture was influenced by Greek sculptures and architectural style from West Asia. Now we have to discuss about the India's neighbors. India has an important position in South Asia. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Bhutan. The southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries namely Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pakistan Strait, a narrow strip of sea. India always have and had a strong geographical and historical link with her neighbors.